When did you last change your car's engine oil? Last month? Last year? Or completely forgot? If you answered the second or third question, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you something that most drivers either don't know or know but don't take seriously. Changing engine oil is the simplest, cheapest maintenance for a car. But if it's not done on time, it turns into the most expensive mistake. The numbers are ready. Let's get started. What is engine oil, and why is it important? Think of engine oil as the blood of a car. Just as the heart pumps blood around the body, the oil pump delivers oil to every part of the engine. This oil has three main functions. The first is lubrication. When the engine is running, the metal parts inside rub against each other. This friction occurs at an incredible speed, hundreds of times per second. Without oil, these metal parts eat each other, literally. The engine starts to break down from the inside. Second, cooling. When the engine is running, incredible heat is generated. The water radiator does the main cooling, but the oil also participates in this process, absorbing heat and distributing it around the engine. Third, cleanliness. The oil collects small impurities, soot residues, metal dust inside the engine. It filters them. It keeps the engine clean from the inside. Now the question is, why does this oil wear out? Because with every kilometer, with every combustion, with every temperature change, the chemical structure of the oil changes. The oil weakens. It loses its density. It can no longer work with the same efficiency. And if it is not changed at this point, all three functions I listed above gradually stop working. Now let's see realistically what happens to a car if the engine oil is not changed. This does not happen instantly, but at each stage, the engine gives you a signal. The problem is that most drivers don't recognize these signals. Stage 1, 1,000 to 3,000 kilometers delay. At this stage, everything seems normal. The car runs the same, but the protective chemicals in the oil have already started to wear out. You can't see them, you can't feel them, but the process has begun. Stage 2, 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers delay. At this stage, the oil begins to thicken. Its color darkens from light yellow to dark brown and then to black. The engine runs a little louder. You may notice a delayed response for a few seconds when starting in cold weather. Fuel consumption may increase slightly because the engine has to work harder. Stage 3, 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers delay. At this stage, impurities in the oil begin to accumulate. A black, sticky substance forms on the engine walls, valves, and pipe channels. Experts call it sludge. This substance prevents the normal flow of oil. The engine is now under real stress. The noise has increased, the heat has increased. Fuel consumption has increased noticeably. Stage 4, delaying 20,000 kilometers and beyond. At this point, a serious problem is inevitable. The oil has almost completely lost its function. Metal parts rub against each other without protection. The engine wears out from the inside. In some cases, the valve fails. In other cases, the piston is damaged. In the worst case, the engine freezes completely. This is called engine seizure in technical terms. And when this happens, you are left on the side of the road. Now let's talk about money, because this is the most shocking part of this issue. How much does an average engine oil change cost? Depending on the make of car, it can cost between $30 and $80. In some premium brands, it can reach $150. But let's take an average, $50. Once every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers.
Now, let's look at the other side. Repairing a valve that has been damaged due to not changing the oil, $500 to $1,500. Replacing a piston, $1,000 to $3,000. Cleaning an engine sludge, $300 to $800. Restoring a partially damaged engine, $2,000 to $5,000. Replacing a complete engine, $4,000 to $10,000. In some luxury brands, this figure reaches $15,000. So, saving $50 can lead to $10,000 in damage. It costs 200 times more.
There is no single answer to this question. Because every car is different, every oil is different, every driver is different. But there are general rules. If you drive very short distances, if you commute 5 to 10 kilometers every day, change it every 3 to 4 months, regardless of the kilometers. Because on short distances, the engine does not reach full warm-up temperature. This prevents the moisture in the oil from evaporating, and moisture spoils the oil quickly. If you drive in a very hot climate, the oil wears out faster. Shorten the change interval a little. If your car is old, more than 10 years old, change it more often. Old engines consume oil faster. How to choose the right oil. The biggest mistake in this matter is to buy any oil. Each car has its own oil specifications. This information is written in the car's user manual. Usually, it looks like this: 5W30, 0W20, 5W40. These numbers indicate the oil's viscosity and temperature range. If you use oil of the wrong viscosity, both engine performance and protection will decrease. Therefore, always follow the manufacturer's recommended specifications. The quality of the oil is also important. Choose oils with international certification standards such as API, ACEA. Do not choose oils of unknown, cheap brands. While thinking that you are saving, you are actually damaging your engine. In conclusion, changing engine oil is the simplest maintenance of a car. 30 minutes of time, $50. That's it. But not taking this simple step can lead to thousands of dollars in damage, being left on the side of the road, and sometimes the complete destruction of the car. Your car cannot talk to you, but it gives you signs. Recognize those signs. Change the oil on time. Protect your engine. If this video was useful, like, subscribe. Write in the comments, when do you change the oil? In the next video, I will show you what using the wrong fuel does to the engine. See you there.